Hey guys, welcome to my channel Knowledge Live. Guys, today in this video we'll make a simple sketch practice where we will use circular patterns. You can see in your screen that this is the sketch that we are going to make in this video. First you look at the sketch. So as I have told that first you have to analyze in your way so that you can make it easily. The sketch is symmetric along the vertical axis and we have so many circular part in this sketch. So I'll start it from the center. Let's open a part. Select the part and OK. Just choose here unit. I'll be choosing here millimeter gram second and take a plane. I'll be taking here point plane. So select circle and draw circle over here. Now give the dimension. The outer one is diameter 78. And the next one is having the diameter 58. Let it be. Go with this. OK. And the next one is having radius 16. So I'll be giving here diameter 32. This is 32 and you can change it from here itself into radius. Go with this. OK. For this having the diameter or radius, whatever it is, this is having the diameter 22, so give it 22 and convert this circle into construction geometry. Make one more circle to this point and give the dimension, which is diameter 14, and change it from here into radius. Just go for OK. Now I will draw one line from here to here. Just for reference purpose I have taken that as a construction line, and now you can draw here one more line which is like this, and give the dimension from here to here, which is 3. Now you can see we can do the mirror also right now. So click on the mirror tool, choose this, and here you can select the line of symmetricity is this. So we have to trim the entities which we don't need. So I will trim this portion, and here this portion. And we can give one relation here, this center line and this line having the relation symmetric. Go with this. OK. And I will just little adjust this and keep the radius here like this. Now we will go for the pattern. So you can select the entities and go for the pattern and select circular patterns. Automatically it's taking this as a center point, so I will increase the number of entities 5, 6. Go with this. OK. Now you can see this portion is completed. Now just you have to draw 2 more circle. We'll draw 2 circle in the center here. This is the first one and this is the second one, and 2 more circle here. Now define this circle. I'll give the dimension. This is 36, the diameter 36, and here this is having the diameter 18. And give the dimension from this center. Select this. And from this point to this point the dimension is 90. So from the center to here this dimension is, this center to this center is 57, and here this circle is having the diameter 22, and this circle is having the diameter 12. And you can see here I need to give one relation so it will be fully defined. So click on this point, hold Ctrl key and select the center. Give the relation vertical. Now you can see it's become fully defined. Now we will do one thing. So this is not fully defined because we need to give one more dimension from here to here. This dimension is 104. So everything is fully defined. Now I will be drawing here one more vertical line. You can see here. I'll just keep it here like this, and I'll just make this dimension to this side and this dimension to this side. Now I will draw one vertical line and I'll give the dimension from here, which is quite like this, and make it vertical. So I'll convert it into construction geometry and give the dimension from here to here. This is in your screen it's given 48. So from this center to this line is 48. So this is what 48 dimension you can see. Draw one circle, give the diameter 40. This I'll be giving here 40 and give relation from this point. Select the circle and hold Ctrl key, select other circle and give the relation tangent. Go with this OK. In the same way, select this and this circle, give the relation tangent, go for OK. Just right now it's fine. Again I will do one thing. I have to draw an arc, so I'll just go with this arc. I'll go with this 3-point arc. This is first point, this is second point, and I'll make this as third point. So give the arc dimensions as per your drawing. This is 82, so give the dimension 82. Now we'll be giving some relations. So this arc and this circle having the relation tangent, go with this OK. In the same way, this and this having the relation tangent, just go with this OK. Right now you can see everything's got fully defined. I will trim these portions, trim this part, trim this part and trim this part. Here you can see I need to trim this portion, and here I have to trim this portion. So here you can see here I have to trim this part, just trim this excess portions. You can see here almost your sketch half portion is getting ready. We'll be going for the mirror command right now. Click on the mirror tool, just select this lines. Here you can select this arc, this circle and this center, and you have to do the mirror about this line of symmetricity. Just go with this OK. And now I will select the line and just take a line, connect from this point to this point. So guys, you can see here your sketch is getting ready. So guys, hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos on SolidWorks. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.